everyone, it's Julie from Scrap of Your Life. Have you ever wanted to add a digital image or element to one of your photos just to add a little bit of extra interest? I'm going to show you how to do that in Canva, and it's really very easy. So all you need to do is open up Canva, and I'm on the home screen now, and all we need to do is hit Create a Design, and I'm going to scroll down to Custom Size, which I've already got open, and select the units as inches, and my size will be 6x4. And that's going to be the same size as the photo that I'm uploading. It's in landscape, which is perfect because my photo is in landscape. Next, I'm going to go to the Upload button, and I'm going to hit Upload Files and upload the photo that I want to add the element to. Select the photo, hit Open, and it's going to upload the photo and store it in my Upload Files section. Once it's uploaded, just drag the image into the box and it'll fill the square up. And that's my photo. Now I'm going to add a Halloween element. So all I need to do next is hit the element button on the left-hand side here. And I'm going to search for Trick or Treat because I think that's what I will add to this photo. Oops, just need to spell it correctly. Hit the enter and it's going to search for trick or treat elements. Now it's come up with a few options here. I'm going to click on graphics. Now the element that I want is trick or treat, and there's a few to choose from. You need to get one or choose one that actually fits in with the color scheme of your photo and doesn't get lost. So for instance, if I select this green one, it wouldn't look the best because it's just too much because there's a lot of green in the background. So we don't want that one. Now I could choose the orange one, which does go with the photo, but I just think it's a bit boring. I'm going to choose this one, which is quite colourful, and it actually does go with the photo a lot better. Now you can resize the element by hitting the little circles on each corner. So you can make it large or you can make it small. We don't want it too small, so I'm just going to enlarge it to the size that I like, and I can actually hit the little circular button underneath that element and turn it as well. And this can actually just move that image or element to an angle, so it's not so straight. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. I'm not going to add any other elements, although I could add a cauldron down here and just resize it so it's really small, but I don't really want any more. So I'm just going to delete that. I know that that's how you delete an image. So if you add something you don't like it, then you just hit the delete key. So I'm really happy with the way that looks and the size and the sizing. So we're just going to hit the share button and download it onto our PC. So hit the top right hand side, hit share, download as JPEG, and hit the download button. That's all you need to do. It's going to drop it into my downloads folder, and from there I can actually just go and print the photo in the 6x4 size.
I printed the photo on 6x4 photo paper and mounted both photos on white cardstock. I've actually finished this layout very quickly for me. Usually I procrastinate with my layouts and take quite a long time. You can see that little element there, trick or treat, just really makes that photo pop, and it's such a fun way to add some interest to your layouts. So if you like this Canva tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because I'll be making lots more videos on Canva and how I use them in my craft projects, scrapbooking layouts, mini albums, journaling, and all sorts of other ways. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.